What exactly is a bare metal server, and why are businesses choosing it over cloud and virtual hosting? If you need maximum performance, full hardware control, and consistent reliability, bare metal hosting might be the solution you're looking for. Let's break it down simply and clearly. A bare metal server is a physical, single-tenant server dedicated entirely to one customer. That means no virtualization layer, no shared resources, and no performance interference. You get direct access to the hardware, allowing applications to run at full capacity without the overhead that comes with virtual machines or shared environments. Bare metal is the ideal option when you need raw power and predictability from your infrastructure. The term bare metal refers to running software directly on the physical hardware rather than through a hypervisor. Think of it like this: with virtual hosting, multiple instances are sharing a single engine. But with bare metal, you own the entire machine. This setup gives you complete control over the operating system, software stack, and server configuration. Here's why bare metal hosting stands out: maximum performance without virtualization overhead, workloads run faster and more consistently, perfect for demanding applications. Full customization. Choose your OS, storage configuration, CPU, RAM, and networking. All optimized for your specific use case. Stronger security and isolation. Since the server is not shared, there's no risk of noisy neighbors or cross-tenant vulnerabilities. Predictable resources. All server resources are reserved for you, no throttling. Bare metal isn't for everyone. Here's a few things to keep in mind. Scaling isn't instant, since adding resources may require provisioning new hardware. Deployment can take longer than spinning up a virtual instance. It can be overkill for small workloads. If you don't need full server power, a VPS may be more cost-effective. That's why bare metal is best suited for performance-critical or resource-intensive environments. Bare metal versus VPS. VPS hosting shares hardware using virtualization. Bare metal gives you the entire server. Bare metal versus cloud. Cloud offers flexibility and rapid scaling. Bare metal delivers consistent performance and full hardware control. InMotion hosting positions bare metal as the go-to option when performance, compliance, and reliability matters most. Bare metal hosting is ideal for high-traffic websites and applications, databases and big data workloads, gaming servers, AI, machine learning, or high-performance computing workloads, and businesses with strict security or compliance needs. If downtime or performance loss is not an option, bare metal is worth serious consideration. If you're ready to explore bare metal hosting solutions, InMotion offers customizable bare metal servers designed for performance, security, and scalability. Visit the link on the screen or in the description below so you can configure your server exactly the way your workload demands, without any compromises. Thank you for watching. I'm John Paul from InMotion Hosting, and if this helped you understand bare metal servers, be sure to hit like or subscribe for more tech tutorials. InMotion Hosting, always on, always human.